Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I once again welcome you all for the next set of videos on the upcoming New Year 2021. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021 ahead. Let us hope, unlike this 2020, let 2021 bring you all happiness and joyful day. One thing I wish to communicate, the transit predictions as well as the New Year predictions based on the planetary portion, it will impact only 15 to 20% on a person's horoscope. But the actual prediction is based on the current Mahadasa and Antardasa being running for that particular person. If a person is having a bad Mahadasa or Antardasa running in the transit, if the planetary portion is not so favorable, he may face many troubles. At the same time, if person's horoscope having a powerful Mahadasa and Antardasa running, the transit portion may not impact much on his horoscope. So this is something that everyone should remember. Now let us move ahead and find out the planetary portions during the New Year's beginning as well as the end of the New Year, so that we will come to a conclusion that how the planetary portions are, and from that I will give you predictions of each and every zodiac sign. Before proceeding, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please keep this subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. On 1st of January 2021, you could see the moon is travelling on the Pushya star of Saturn. Also Saturn is very powerful at the 10th house, being a ruler, and Jupiter is also there along with Saturn there as a Nicha Bhanga Yoga. In this year, the beginning, you can see Mars is a ruler at the first house Aries, and second house being Rahu. In 8th house, you could see the Venus and Ketu together. You can also see all the planets are under the control of Rahu and Ketu also, and except Moon we cannot consider as part because it is a fast moving planet, but majority of the planets are under the control of Rahu Ketu, and so we can see that there is a Kala Sarpa dosha in the beginning of this year. You can also see at the end of the year, the same Kala Sarpa dosha is being continued. During the 31st December 2021, you could see the Moon is in the Jyeshtha star of Mercury. Again you can see all the planets are under the control of Rahu Ketu. Still the Kala Sarpa dosha is there at the end of the year also. You can see majority of the planets are there within the Rahu Ketu's limit. In the beginning of the year, Mars being a ruler in the first house Aries, you can see in the end of the year Mars being the ruler in the 8th house, that is Scorpio. So Mars being a ruler in the beginning as well as the end, so you can say this particular year people will be very energetic and they will be fast moving. So things will happen very fast when compared to the previous years. There will be so many changes that may occur in many countries. Also many countries may face heavy rains, heavy storm and winds due to the combination of Jupiter and Saturn together at the 10th house. You could see some people facing problems in the political side, many defeat for many leaders, and there will be upcoming of new leaders in most of the countries. During the end of the year, the chances of the justice may come in place. So there will be many problems, there will be many deaths also. So in considering the 2020 comparatively better, but still there is no much hope on the improvement in the case of the virus as well as other natural disasters. But slowly the issues may get declined during the end of the year. So first 3 to 4 months the severity will still continue. Now let us see for each and every zodiac sign how this 2021 would be. Taurus, the second zodiac sign. For Taurus, this 2021 seems to be very good for them because the planetary portions seems to be very much advantageous for them. As usual, on the 9th place there is a conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter. So for them there are chances they will get a good support from the father's side, and there are chances for them to get assets from their fathers and the father's property. Some may get legal issues solved during this year, and their hard work seems to be the critical point for the success in this 2021. So the third house seems to be very powerful as Jupiter as well as Saturn aspecting the place. So they seems to be very active and very aggressive, and because of their hard work, they will win over all the situations. For some, there are chances they get established in their life and they will settle down in their life. And the children especially, they study well. For those who are aspiring for good colleges, good schools, this is a very good time for them to study well. This fifth house being aspected by the Jupiter, they will study properly and they will get good results. Those who are aspiring for good job opportunities, there are chances they will pass out successfully and get their desired jobs. Because of Saturn aspecting the 11th house, there are chances the profit, they won't get the expected profit in time. For those who are working in many places, if they are expecting the money, they won't get it in time. So they should be very careful in lending the money to others. For this particular zodiac sign, they should be very careful in dealing with their partners, especially if there is a conflict between the husband and wife. They should be very patient in handling the situation. Also, there will be problems with the business partners also, so they should be very careful in handling that. Those who are doing business in the areas of temple related products, especially puja products, they will find a very good fortune in this 2021. Those who want to make a travel, the pilgrimage travel, they will get good opportunities during this particular year. Because of Saturn is responsible for the 9th as well as the 10th house, many people who are jobless for a long time, there are chances they will get a very good job opportunities during this 2021. Those who pass out from the colleges, there are chances they will get placed in a good companies. Because Saturn aspecting the 6th house, the health issues will get improved. Enmities for long, they may turn out to be friends to them during this 2021. Considering all the planetary positions for this particular zodiac sign Taurus, this 2021 seems to be give better results. We can expect up to 90% positive results. For Taurus, the zodiac sign is being aspected by Jupiter, so it becomes very positive place. So the health issues will get reduced. Also the third house, both Saturn as well as the Jupiter is aspecting it, it turns out to be a positive thing. So their hard work will fetch them very good results. Again on the 5th house, which is being aspected by Jupiter, so it has become very positive place and the children will study well. Those who are expecting for kids for a very long time, they can get a good kid during this 2021 period. Saturn aspecting the 6th house turns to be very positive, so the enmities will get reduced and the health issues will get improved. 7th house, since Ketu is being there may be some slight problems between the partners, so they should be somewhat careful in that particular area. In 9th house, since Saturn and Jupiter are together, so it gives them very good results. They will find some lucky days. Some may get properties from their ancestors. They have good support from their father's side. Since 11th house being aspected by Saturn, some may not get the required money in time. They may find some issues in the revenue that they get during the next year. So considering all the planetary positions, we can say for Taurus, this particular new year 2021 can bring them a good fortune of up to 90%.